The Ether Cruise is a futuristic luxury yacht designed to make every journey on the water unforgettable. With its sleek, modern design, it looks stunning while sailing smoothly and efficiently across the sea. It's the perfect combination of style, technology, and comfort for anyone who loves adventure and relaxation. Inside, the yacht is all about luxury and convenience. Spacious cabins, elegant lounges, and modern amenities make every moment on board comfortable and enjoyable. Smart controls let you easily adjust lighting, climate, and entertainment, creating a personalized experience. Large observation windows and open decks provide breathtaking views of the ocean, letting you feel fully connected to the water while relaxing or entertaining guests. The Aether Cruise is powered by advanced, eco-friendly propulsion systems, offering quiet and smooth performance even on long trips. Arc Aerosystems E-Starling Jet, the personal electric jet. The Arc Aerosystems E-Starling Jet is a futuristic personal aircraft designed to make flying faster, easier, and eco-friendly. With electric engines, lightweight materials, and sleek design, it offers a quiet, smooth, and efficient way to travel through the skies. Its aerodynamic body reduces drag and allows for high-speed travel, while multiple electric engines provide stable control and quick acceleration. The jet's compact size makes it perfect for urban areas and short regional trips, allowing passengers to reach destinations quickly without depending on traditional airports or roads. The E-Starling jet also comes with smart avionics and AI-assisted systems, making flying safer and easier. Sensors monitor the surroundings, help with navigation, and maintain stability, giving pilots confidence even in challenging conditions. Bally is a small, rolling robot from Samsung that brings fun and convenience to your home. Even though it's tiny, it can move around on its own, helping with daily tasks and connecting with your smart devices. Bally can follow you, carry small items, and even interact with lights, speakers, and other smart gadgets, making your home feel smarter and more automated. This little robot is designed to be friendly and interactive. It responds to your voice, gestures, and movements, almost like a tiny robotic companion. Bally can remind you of tasks, monitor pets or kids when you're busy, and control devices around the house. Its round shape and smooth movements make it look cute and approachable, adding a fun, lively presence to any room. Using AI technology, Bally learns your routines and adapts to help you better over time. It can follow you from room to room, adjust smart home settings, or just entertain you with its playful behavior. The Batu Airbag Massage is a smart and easy way to relax and relieve tension at home or anywhere. Using advanced airbag technology, it gently applies pressure to key areas like your shoulders, back, waist, and legs, helping reduce stress, loosen tight muscles, and improve blood circulation. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably around your body, giving a professional style massage without leaving your home. The device offers multiple modes and adjustable intensity levels, so you can choose the perfect massage for your mood. Whether you want a gentle, calming session after a long day or a stronger deep tissue massage to ease sore muscles, the Batu Airbag Massage can do it all. It's lightweight, portable, and simple to use, so you can enjoy relaxation anytime, anywhere. The airbag technology works by squeezing and releasing your muscles in a natural rhythm, simulating the touch of a professional masseuse. Over time, it helps reduce fatigue, improve circulation, and boost overall well-being. Overall, the Batu Airbag Massage is more than just a gadget. It's your personal relaxation companion. Combining comfort, advanced technology, and convenience, it provides a soothing and rejuvenating experience that leaves your body feeling refreshed, relaxed, and energized every day.
Between airbags, let the buttocks, waist, and
Bicycle Robot. The Bicycle Robot is a fascinating and fun robot built like a bicycle, but powered by smart technology. Unlike a regular bike, it can ride on its own without a human rider. It uses sensors, motors, and advanced controls to stay balanced, move around, and even avoid obstacles, making it look and feel like something from the future. This robot can do amazing tricks, follow paths, and in some designs, even carry small items for you. Some bicycle robots can be controlled with a remote or a smartphone app, so you can send it anywhere you want. Others are programmed to move on their own, patrol spaces, or perform fun routines, giving it a playful and interactive edge. The bicycle robot combines the classic idea of a bike with modern robotics, making it perfect for tech lovers, students, or anyone who enjoys gadgets. Watching it ride by itself is both exciting and impressive, showing how technology can turn ordinary objects into something extraordinary. Blizzwheel e-scooter, fun and easy urban travel. The Blizzwheel e-scooter is a sleek electric scooter designed to make getting around the city easy, fast, and eco-friendly. It combines smart technology, smooth performance, and a modern design to offer a fun and convenient ride for commuters, students, and city explorers. Its lightweight frame and compact size make it perfect for weaving through traffic, crowded streets, or tight spaces. The electric motor provides quick acceleration, responsive handling, and a comfortable ride, while the long-lasting battery ensures you can travel longer distances without worrying about running out of power. Charging is simple and fast, so you can get back on the road quickly. The Blizzwheel e-scooter is built with safety in mind. It features stable tires, responsive brakes, and bright LED lights to keep you visible and in control at all times. The intuitive controls and clear display make it easy for anyone to use, whether it's your first ride or you're a seasoned rider. This e-scooter is environmentally friendly, producing zero emissions while offering a practical, stylish, and exciting way to travel. With the Blizzwheel e-scooter, city commuting becomes faster, more flexible, and enjoyable. It represents the future of urban mobility, combining efficiency, sustainability, and fun in one compact, smart vehicle. The BrainBit headband is a smart wearable designed to help you focus better, relax, and boost your mental performance. Worn comfortably around your head, it uses advanced sensors to monitor your brain activity in real time. By tracking your brainwaves, it can show when you're stressed, distracted, or fully focused, giving you a clear picture of your mental state. The headband connects to a smartphone or tablet app, providing visual feedback, guided exercises, and tips to improve concentration, meditation, or even sleep quality. It's perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who wants to train their mind, stay calm, and work more efficiently. Lightweight and adjustable, the BrainBit headband is comfortable to wear for long periods. It includes real-time alerts, goal tracking, and interactive exercises to help you improve focus and manage stress effectively. Chirp RPM Mini. The Chirp RPM Mini is a small but powerful speaker that brings amazing sound wherever you go. Despite its tiny size, it delivers clear music, deep bass, and sharp highs, making every song, podcast, or call sound much better than you'd expect from a mini device. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in your pocket bag or backpack, perfect for trips, outdoor hangouts, or just enjoying music at home without taking up much space. Connecting the Chirp RPM Mini to your phone or other devices is simple thanks to Bluetooth. You can play music wirelessly, adjust the volume, skip tracks, or take calls using easy buttons or touch controls. Its portable design doesn't just make it convenient, it also makes it stylish and fun to use anywhere. What makes the Chirp RPM Mini really exciting is how it gives big sound from a small device. Whether you are going to a party, hanging out with friends, or just relaxing on your own, this mini speaker makes music louder, clearer, and more enjoyable. The deep-sea underwater habitat is an amazing structure built for living and exploring beneath the ocean. It allows people to stay underwater for extended periods, making it perfect for research, adventure, or studying marine life. Its strong, pressure-resistant design keeps everyone safe while handling the extreme conditions of the deep sea. Inside, the habitat is equipped with comfortable living areas, workspaces, and observation zones. Large windows let you see the underwater world all around, while smart lighting ensures everything inside is bright and functional. Life support systems, communication tools, and essential facilities make sure inhabitants can live and work safely underwater for days or even weeks at a time. The habitat is designed to support long term exploration, allowing scientists and researchers to study marine ecosystems, monitor ocean health, and conduct experiments that are impossible from the surface. Dive Drive Underwater Scooter. The Dive Drive Underwater Scooter is an exciting gadget that makes swimming and exploring underwater much easier and more fun. Instead of relying only on your legs to move, this scooter uses a small motor to give you a smooth, powerful push. This means you can glide through the water faster, swim longer, and explore more without getting tired. It is lightweight and easy to hold, making it perfect for beginners and experienced swimmers alike. The simple controls let you steer easily, so you can move in any direction and enjoy smooth, effortless underwater rides. Whether you are snorkeling over colorful coral reefs, checking out shipwrecks, or just playing in the pool, the Dive Drive adds a thrilling boost to your adventure. One of the best things about the Dive Drive is that it allows you to stay underwater longer and cover more distance without exhausting yourself. The Dream Glass Flow is a cutting-edge augmented reality AR headset that brings digital experiences into the real world. Lightweight and stylish, it lets you see virtual content layered over your surroundings, turning everyday spaces into interactive and exciting environments. Whether for gaming, learning, or work, the Dream Glass Flow makes AR experiences simple, fun, and immersive. The headset features high-resolution displays, a wide field of view, and precise sensors, ensuring smooth and realistic visuals. You can interact with digital objects using hand gestures, controllers, or voice commands, making navigation easy and natural. It works with multiple devices and platforms, so you can stream content, play AR games, or collaborate on virtual projects seamlessly. Designed for comfort, the Dream Glass Flow can be worn for long sessions without strain. Its adjustable fit lets you personalize the experience, while built-in spatial audio provides realistic sound, enhancing the feeling of being fully immersed in virtual content. DSKY Moonwatch. The DSY Moonwatch is a unique and stylish watch inspired by the famous computer display used in the Apollo moon missions. Its design brings the feeling of space exploration straight to your wrist, making it special for anyone who loves space, technology, or unique gadgets. The watch face looks clean and futuristic, with a layout that reminds you of the controls astronauts once used to travel to the moon. This watch is not only about looks, but also about comfort and daily use. It is made with quality materials and designed to be easy to wear for long hours. Whether you are going to work, meeting friends, or just enjoying your day, the DSKY Moonwatch fits naturally into your lifestyle. Its clear display makes it easy to check the time at a glance, while its bold design makes it stand out from regular watches. Flexivol is a smart and simple idea made to make daily life easier. It is a flexible container that changes its size based on your needs. When it is empty, you fold or compress it to save space. When you need it, it easily expands to hold more items. This makes Flexivol perfect for people who want less clutter and more convenience in their homes, bags, or vehicles. You can use it to store food, liquids, tools, or travel essentials without worrying about carrying bulky containers. Flexivol is made from strong yet lightweight materials, so it feels easy to handle but lasts a long time. Its flexible body allows it to fit into tight spaces like backpacks, kitchen cabinets, or car storage areas. Many designs are also leak-resistant and easy to clean, which makes them even more practical for everyday use. Whether you are traveling, camping, organizing your kitchen, or managing small spaces, Flexivol adapts to your lifestyle. Dahir Insat Flying Train, a bold new travel idea. The Dahir Insat Flying Train is an eye-catching concept that imagines a completely new way to travel. Instead of running on normal tracks, this futuristic train is designed to fly above the ground while staying connected to a powered rail below. The idea is to combine the speed of an airplane with the convenience of a train, creating a fast and smooth travel experience for thousands of passengers. According to the concept, the flying train could carry nearly 2,000 people in large, multi-level cabins and reach speeds of up to 400 miles per hour. It uses a tethered power system, meaning it gets electricity directly from the track beneath it, helping it stay eco-friendly and efficient. The wings or lift systems help the train stay in the air, while the connection below keeps it powered throughout the entire journey. Future fire truck concept: smarter, safer, and built for tomorrow. The future fire truck concept imagines a modern, powerful, and eco-friendly emergency vehicle designed to make firefighting faster and safer. Instead of using loud diesel engines, this fire truck runs fully on electric power, making it cleaner, quieter, and better for the environment. Its strong battery keeps all the equipment running, from water pumps to emergency lights, without producing smoke or pollution. The design also focuses on firefighter safety and convenience. Instead of climbing up high steps, firefighters can enter the truck directly from ground level, helping them gear up quickly and reducing physical strain. Inside, the cabin acts like a high-tech command center with touchscreens, digital maps, thermal imaging, and even drone controls, giving firefighters all the information they need during an emergency. On the outside, the truck is built to move smoothly through tight streets, sharp turns, or rough roads. Bright LED lights, smart suspension, and advanced sensors help it reach the scene faster and operate more efficiently.